truyền một cú chung thêm. Ông mới đi làm như thế. Ông mới đi làm như thế. Kéo lên rồi.
Yeah. You want to hold it? I can't really turn the other. I should have tested the equipment. But yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
竟然知道鬧交嘅。
Oh, there's a tugboat. That's cool. Is there only one tugboat? Is there more?
There should be one at the back. It's like a pirate chicken.
Oh, that kind of would be cool.
Tell me what that. Because Queensland is the opposite.
The balustrade's not as high.
That Queensland
Yeah.
is there. Because it's going up the street. And then New Zealand's going down the street.
Yeah.
Exactly opposite.
We're going the other way.
Are we coming out that way?
Where are you?
Oh, is it the Maritime Museum? Yeah, it's the Maritime Museum.
Probably.
Or was it year 3?
Year 3. So Kaylin's going to go there next year. Right, Kaylin?
I'm just saying. It's not.
We'll see you, Mia. See you. Let's go eat.
The people on the boats be like, what the what?
shoot it.
Practice
yeah.
a little bit. Practice.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
They run away. Mama, people lay off.
Go, Kaylin! 哇，你同媽咪 matching 啊，今日。Hi. Hi. red line, it means it's recording.
Hello. It just turned black.
It's still recording. It's just there to save power.
Oh.
The screen's off, but it is recording.
Oh.
Go find Mummy with the food.
She's coming back.
Wow. Cool, huh?
I get my
No, just wear that. It's fine. If you're cold, you can wear it later. Hmm? It's close, right?
原來呢個 screen 睇到嘅都。
起唔到高啲。
佢個 screen 睇到佢。
Go into the front. wonder. I wonder. I'm not sure. But it's worth a try. Can you go up one?
Yes, sir.
Is there up? Okay. Let's go.
I want to get my jacket.
There's a sky deck. 18. Here. Let's go.
That's a result of the high fresh water layer or depth of fresh water on the top of the ocean here because of the high rainfall. About maybe 9 metres forming Milford here a year of rainfall. We've had quite a bit of rain in the last 2 or 3 days here. And this fresh water, as it percolates through the forest, from the mostly beach and the fresh
It's
water.
being a sanctuary. I think this is the closest to the front we're going to get. Oh yeah, 行去個 sanctuary 度都得嘅。
Waterfalls, sometimes they don't go because of the rainfall after a few days. Pretty well drained area here, but there are 2 waterfalls that go all year round. One of them is the Sterling Falls, which we'll pass on our port's hand side shortly. And right at the head of the field, we'll turn around, we'll see the Lady Golden Falls.
You have the separation before with us. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Sanctuary.
Yeah, the sanctuary. We have loungers, couple of days like before you
哦，佢唔俾你行出邊嚟嘅。
Restoration.
Yeah, you need a reservation. Tại đi sân khấu. À, nhưng mà依家想係得 maybe，唔知得唔得？ 佢俾你坐啊！呢個 complimentary 出嚟，哇 ！Let's sit down.
May I sit next to you?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. It's really good coffee.
求其啦。
Cushion cool.
佢頭先擺咗個嘢喺我後邊。
個 camera 都冇拎，我問佢揀邊個，我揀完佢俾我。
the origin of the remarkable shield mountains of the Order is a combination of three environmental factors. The hard rock types, the uplifting of the land through its proximity to the plate boundary, the upland fault coming across the mouth of Milford Sound is right here, and changes in climate over the last few million years.
Hot chocolate. 喂，我冇轉啊！喂，你嗰張紙㗎，我冇紙啊！媽咪有，媽咪有。
It is the hardness of these rocks that has given rise to the stability of the sheer walls of the Terra Mountains, the Terra Mountains we're in at the
有
moment.
冇紙巾？有冇紙巾？
有。
And the dramatic landscape traversed by the Milford Road from the upper Hollywood through the Homer Tunnel to Milford Sound. The telltale U-shape of the valley speaks of the imprint of long-gone glaciers. And these carved their way deeply into the hard rocks over the last 2 million years. Here's the name of Dr. High, nice carved people, and the glaciers extended far beyond the
啱啱我幫你影啦。
With the eventual waning of the ice age, the climate began to warm again, so much so that by 40,000 to 10,000 years ago, at the end of the
媽咪，你
ice
企呢度啦，不如。
the glaciers melted back into the interior. Sea level
Yes, yes.
rose and the troughs were gradually filled with
就俾你嘅電話。
to the east and south. This is the chain of deep freshwater glacial lakes, Tiana, Manapur,
等等啊！
And here in the west, we see what most of the glacial troughs, moving fully in figures now, indeed the longitudinal drivers of Florida and Celtic coastline.
影咗啦。
影咗啦。
Some of these fields seem to be
阿妹喺度幫你影，阿妹。
40 kilometres in and
前面企前邊。唔係佢。
阿鐘，我幫你影，企前面，我幫你影。
哇！你睇下啲 ice caps，look at the end ice caps。
快啲同你影，
你同企嚟影啊！
快啲企同佢影，咪過咗冇㗎啦。
I don't know when we're gonna go back。
隻手啦，隻手唔好咁啊，妹。B 啊！笑先得㗎，咪執到金嘅樣呢個，耶！nice。哥哥到你快啲。過咗冇㗎啦，哥哥。近個少少唔好企咁快，係啱到幾多？爸爸你有關係。係爸爸影相嘅。
好啊，我同你個圖。
阿鐘，你幫我同爸爸影。
to the airport, it's the Darwin Falls. Straight behind the falls there is the road comes through.
I think Jordan is
From Tiana, as we're told, through the mountains in the background there.
Don't go until I come.
But moving to the right, looking to the right of that waterfall, there's another big valley coming in there, clear, and the outer, and that's where the Milford track finishes. Milford track walkers, they start the other side of the Southern Alps, at one end of Lake Tiana, and after 4 days, they emerge here, it's called Sapphire Point. After the tramping trip.
買拎開。
我幫佢拎件衫。
好凍啊！
佢凍啊！我落去幫佢拎。你坐呢度，我落去幫佢拎。我幫佢拎啊！
Around us, there's in the distance there's a house, over 2,000 meters high.
I have to go back up again because I had this thing on. The what? Oh, there is a duck.
System 4 is going to do a turn here. Will be infiltrated. So we're going to start turning here and inside. But back there, you're looking up at the house and valley, and that's Mount Pembroke. The clouds right on the top there, associated.
I want to hold it.
Okay, you want to hold it? Okay. I'm going to hold it. Hold it slowly, slowly.
小心啊！唔好撞嗰個波。
Okay, I can't do it.
行啦，高高啦啦啦。
Here we go, breakfast. Yay.
I want to try.
Yeah. Look at that. It's tall, huh?
Is that one kilometer high?
好靚啊！你企埋呢度，你企喺中間，媽咪。哦，你已經話你企中
Further
間。
on the starboard side there, you're looking up the
企後少少，
Milford
企後
Gully.
少少。
And then further to the right of that, you're looking
你
up
差唔多嗰棵樹嗰度啊。
Milford Gully is a special area. There is a story about that because of the last kakapo ever found here. Kakapo is the world's rarest and heaviest parrot. Now, those of you who come along today who talk at 10 o'clock in the Princess Theatre, I'll show a photo of it. Kakapo, the world's rarest and heaviest parrot. Well,
Hands.
in
行嗰啲佢。
Milford Gully, that was the last place that one of these was seen alive on the mainland of New Zealand.
Hey. Okay.
And I hadn't
Thank
been
you.
seen since about 1987. But there are a few predicted islands and mainland areas which are conservation.
嚟影呢個啊，定呢邊啊？
Yeah, there's something just over 100.
Could you just stand over there, please?
And intensively
Yeah,
managed.
past the deck chairs, yeah.
One of these areas is the island of Anchor Island in Dusky
No,
Sound.
actually, stand there, Christian, please.
坐企中間啦。
Just stand there, yeah.
快啲啊！
Yeah? How's this angle, yeah? Can you see the gap?
So Simply was the last place that
gap right here.
alive.
The mountains, yes.
May, who knows, be still some carpet on the way.
求其啦，快手啦！
Oh, it doesn't matter.
你覺得靚就得啦。OK， thank you。快啲，叫人哋幫我哋翻。
It's about to turn. The ship is turning, I think.
阿妹過嚟，妹過嚟，人哋快啲幫佢影。
Ship's turning.
咁你出起嚟㗎你，see？ Again， 嗱，幫你再影 family photo， yeah。
Okay.
OK， come on， 調位先呢次。OK。 Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Thank you. 可能食早餐啊？
係啦，去食早餐啦。佢 turn around 啦，呢家。The fonts. Go. Điểm喺呢度啊，呢度。
好靚喎，好。我想影個 glace 啊，我都唔要。
影上去張台嘅。會俾人鬧嘅。
小心啊！得。
我企上去都冇。行開兄弟。
個太陽好靚，下邊啲嘢遮住。
兄弟幫我影啦，兄弟。快啲啦！
黑。 啊，媽咪。
Okay, thank you.
係啊，你
好肥啊！
side angle, turn to the side, yeah, better. Okay.
This is high.
影完未一齊？
我喺度睇寶啊嘛。
The field maps describe the large indentations along the coast as sounds rather than fields. So strictly speaking, they are fields. They really are in a field known on the map. It's called Milford Sound.
你下邊
So
炒
here's
上
the
嚟梗係肥啦。
definition. A field is a deep glaciated valley, typically long, narrow and steep-sided,
好啦，去食嘢啦。
that has been flowed by the sea following the retreat of
爸
the
爸頭先好
glaciers.
肥啊，衝緊過嚟喎。
Not too bad.
So that's the
阿空仔，你發生啲咩
field.
事？
What a field is. A field is a sound. It's different. Sound is described as being a river valley that has been flooded by the sea as a result of rising sea levels or
How to wait? 媽咪，你企喺下邊，我幫你影。係，哥哥，喂，你兩個去埋阿媽咪嗰邊啊喂。You gotta hurry up, it's turning. Ship's turning. Ready? Alright. Look up. Everybody look up. Look up. Alright, you take a photo. You go up, take a photo.
Mostly from Britain, and they misnamed them as sounds. Right, we're doing this tour around Milford Sound. Which one coming up right from the sea level
You weren't looking at the camera.
and so it's quite a 2 miles from this line.
Hả?
嚇走。
Go. Run. Ice cream. Check this out. Hey Christian, how's the water?
Is that a dude in there? Oh, it's a girl. Oh, hello.
You enjoying the water? How is it?
Good. It's not very far. Have you taken the picture of outside there?
I tried.
Why can't you see it?
I can see it. It's a 360 camera. It records everything.
Wait, so can I see behind it though?
Yes.
So you can see literally the whole globe.
Yeah.
So you can see what's happening there.
Yeah.
And who's using a towel?
Probably, if I'm not blocking it.
Yay! Something so big
Hello, you're a bit of a bubble. Bubble boy. It's kind of not really waterproof.
No, I'm not gonna put it in the water.
Put it in the water. Voila. Thank you. It's a bit wet though. Hello, Mummy. Where are you going? I think I'm going to go over there.
Oh.
Ominous weather. No, I'm going upstairs. Hello. It's a camera that takes 360 degrees. It goes all the way around. Yes.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Well, welcome in to Dusky Sound. Dusky Sound's the largest and the longest of all the fields. It's over 40 kilometres inland from the sea and has several arms extending inland. Right at the head of Dusky Sound, our talking side up there, at the headers, there is one track that connects with the west arm of the Manifold. It's the only walking track in the area. Pretty rough tramping track, suitable for experienced trampers only. Takes about 8 days to go through, and it includes a mountain pass, an alpine pass. Something like 500 people might do it each year, so not very many people use it. Captain Cook spotted the jagged pinnacles of Five Fingers Point at the entrance to Dusky Sound on his first visit in 1770. We are seeing him on our way out of Dusky shortly. He described it as seven up the 4 fingers in front of the man's hand. He did not sail into the Sound at that time because it was late in the day, and getting dark, thus called it Dusky Bay. And around 2 or 3 years later, he entered Dusky Sound on March 1906. He found it for over 5 weeks. And it's supposed to be and this area includes a land to set up a land-based observation for stars to fix the latitude and longitude of the area. And there's an instrument area.
邊度嚟啦？
哇！佢影相喎，邊度靚啊？
Remains of one of the most significant historic sites in the zone. I'll point out where that is shortly when we pass.
Yo, hello.
Yo. This is our room. Kind of bad. Actually about 6:45, so it's kind of late. But let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Bob's burgers.
冇出咗去啦已經。
因為靚啊嘛。
你係我嚟㗎，媽咪。
我嚟嘅，如果唔係，
我哋嚟㗎。耶！
我出翻嚟我
We're sorry.
Let's go this
So
way.
sad. Medallion.
Hello.
Nice. I'm recording myself.
It's recording.
Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
Over there.
It's recording, Daddy. Take a look. Oh, sorry. Yes. That's okay. Duck in action. And Daddy's covering me. Look at Daddy. He's smiling. Look.
Christian，你聽日着翻條長褲啊出去。
And that's Mommy.
Christian，
Oh, Tita.
聽日 offshore 着翻條長褲放唔驚。
And you press the button. Do I see anything? Wonder why it's 360.
Looking straight up your nostril.
Wait, can you give me a hand? Can you take a look?
咩記錄？
你想睇下個咧？你睇下。買，你睇下。
睇咩啫？ 明知我睇近唔到近
He
嘅。
doesn't understand.
Hold it properly. Hey, hold it still.
聽人唔好污糟個地下，講咗好多次啦。
Free，媽咪你可以攞一個 free bangle 喎，
慢咗嘅。
你可以買個。
Let's go, guys.
係啊係啊。
係喎，攞
Deck
個
seven，
angle
有一個 free souvenir。
係咯
Deck seven。
上過啦，
跟住
上完落啦。
攞一個。
7.
6 7。哦，兩片。
我哋去七樓啊定六樓啊？
唔係，我哋去睇戲先。
阿聰呢度七樓有個 free 咩喎？free 手鏈喎。
We are going.
咁你去啦。
Why we went to deck 16?
我睇戲。I said I'm watching.
I thought we were doing walking around.
After in 15 minutes. You coming? 我去睇戲啊！睇15分鐘。Can I watch a movie for 15 minutes? 你打乒乓波，你想落去 shopping， 你可以 shopping。It's F1. I want to watch it. Oh yeah. Look how big the ship is. They're joining the cruise. Yeah.
呢個位係明星嚟喎，呢個。
你點知啊？
我頭先睇過 list 佢有講㗎呢個嘢。
Yeah.
This is huge.
Look how big it is, huh?
What the?
Nice, huh?
Is it bigger than Carnival?
唔係，我哋嗰隻船 Carnival 都冇 dry dock， they all wet dock。
Are we catching the
Guys.
shuttle or are we just...
We're going to the port terminal, I guess, and then we'll catch. I don't know. We'll catch a bus into town.
What's that thing? Why is there a kite? Oh, is it measuring how many knots the wind is? Is that how...
Oh yeah, the kite.
Oh yeah, you see the bird can't really fly. What, that is so much bigger.
Oh no! Told you so much bigger. We're pulling in. That ship's tiny in comparison. 喂，行入個坡睇下有咩先好嘛？唔好等一個巴士嘅針上。
Oh my.
À, 有機會啊，行去揾啲 map 先咯，喺裏邊。Alright. Well, look at the comparison between the Viking and the Princess. Wow. It's quite a interesting comparison. Alright, let's go.